tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to add items to your shopping cart in the Aldi UK. So in order to add items to your shopping cart, you have to first of all log in into your account. So go ahead and open up a browser, type in groceries.aldi.co.uk, and when you are on the home page, this is how it's going to look like. So first thing, go ahead and select the product that you wish to add it to your cart. So I'm just going to go with a random product for now. You could also go ahead and use the search bar tool feature in order to locate the following product. So I'm going to go with this one. Let's see that. And when you've located the product, you could go ahead and read the instructions and all that. And to add it to your cart, click on add to basket. Now you have to go ahead and add a postcode or city or address, whatever, in order to make sure to confirm your location and all that. And when you've done that, you'll have successfully added the product to your cart. So in that way, you can add product to your cart in the Aldi UK. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.